Hey everyone, check out the ATATOO wallet case, designed exclusively for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 6.7-inch model. It features a high-definition tempered glass screen protector with advanced hydrophobic and oil-repellent coating to keep your screen clear and fingerprint-free. The case includes a secure card holder that fits 3 to 5 cards, helping you travel light without a bulky wallet. Protect your camera lens with the innovative sliding cover that shields against scratches, dust, and oil for clearer photos. Military-grade drop protection with airbags in the corners and raised edges keeps your phone safe from accidental drops and bumps. Plus, the microfiber lining inside absorbs shocks while maintaining a sleek, stylish look. Experience all-around protection and convenience with this smart wallet case for your Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.